करोतु महोदय।
हाँ हाँ ओके। ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
हरिः ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। धन्यवादः महोदय। स्वागतम् उमा महोदय। सर्वेषां पुनः पुनः स्वागतं। स्वागतम् ईश्वरन् महोदय।
स्वागतम्। स्वागतम्। नमो नमः।
कक्षायाः आरम्भं कुर्मः। इदानीं किञ्चित् पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। So basically this is a note of the previous class, Punaravalokanam, as we usually do whatever we discuss or study in the previous class, that we do in the next class. So a little bit recapping we do every time. So this time what is happening, because the topic of the today's class is Karta, Karma, Kriya Padam. So this is the topic that means attracts some old concept to be revised here. So we are doing some old things what we have studied long back. That means recap is required, so that we gradually progress from this topic to today's topic. Astu. So this is Padanirmanam. Padam, beginning from Padam, then Namapadam, Kriyapadam, how Padam gets converted to Namapadam, then how Padanirmanam, from here we get Kriyapadam, then what are Vibhakti and what are Lakaras. So these all include, and when we study them together, separate we have done many times. But together, if Namapadam, Kriyapadam and Karmapadam, together they are there, then they constitute a very well formed sentence, Vakyam. So from Padanirmanam to the Vakyam, this class is like that. Astu. So Padasya Nirmanam Katham Bhavati. So that is the first thing we have to think. So Padam, we know that Mool, whatever the Mool Shabda is there, maybe it's for Dhatu or for Namapadam. That Mool Shabda is also called Prakritihi. When this Prakritihi is combined with Pratyayaha, then Prakriti plus Pratyayaha makes a Padam. Padam is a Prakriti alone cannot be utilized. Pratyaya alone independently cannot be utilized in a sentence or in anywhere, whereas when they combine together they form Padam. This Padam is utilized in many forms. Let's see how. So Padam can be divided into two. One is Namapadam, another one is Kriya Padam. So Namapadam, how it is formed? So, Prakritihi means Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya. Prakriti means two. Either it may be a Pratipadikam, it may be a Dhatu. So when it is Pratipadikam, that time it only can combine with Supratyaya. Okay. Pratipadikam combines with sup pratyayah and the resultant is namapadam. Similarly, kriyapadam. To arrive at kriyapadam, we have to think of dhatu. What is the mool shabdah? That mool shabdah, or we commonly know as, very familiar with the term dhatu. So this dhatu, when combines with ting pratyaya, this forms the kriyapadam. So what is important? We have to know pratipadikam. We should be aware of dhatu, but ting pratyaya and sup pratyaya are above the this level. Even we have not studied up to, but we know that we should not add pratipadikam and ting pratyaya and say namapadam. No, pratipadikam only combines with sup pratyaya to make namapadam. Similarly, kriyapadam, dhatuhu and ting pratyaya. So this is the journey that we began from padam. Then coming to the namapadam, how from padam we get the namapadam, how we get from padam the kriyapadam. Then here it is written that prakritihi means either we are talking about pratipadikam or we are talking about dhatu. Prakriti means original form. The nature, the prakriti is the mool swarupa. Means from prakritihi we have all originated. So that prakriti is mool bhava. So mool bhava is that prakritihi and pratyayah prathaka rupena upyoktum ta shakyate. Separately we cannot use them. We use when they are in combination. Up till now is okay?
Yes.
Okay. Astu. Astu. Dhanyavada. Agre saramaha. So now we see that we have arrived from padam to namapadam. Now, what are the namapadasya gunaah? And what are the kriyapadasya gunaah? What are their characteristics? How we can identify this is a namapadam? Or if a namapadam is given to us, how we can explain its characteristics? Ki these gunas are attached to the namapadam only. So these are lingam. We know lingam, and the second is vachanam, and the third one is vibhakti. So lingam, vachanam and vibhakti, they together form the namapadam. If we say some, for example, Rama, that is a namapadam. So what is its lingam? We know pullinga. What is its vachanam? If Ramaha is there, ekavachanam. Vibhakti Ramaha means Prathama Vibhakti. So one namapadam, its gunah, or in English we say characteristics, attributes are what? Lingam, Vachanam and Vibhakti. Now coming to the Kriyapadam. We know Kriyapadam, Pathati Pathta Pathanti, Pathasi Pathatha Pathata, Pathami Pathavah Pathama. This is a Lat Lakar. This we know. We know many things, but as for when it comes to the connectivity, then there some mistakes happen. So we have to understand what are the Kriya Padasya Guna. Purushaha, Kriya Padam, if any Kriya Padam is given, what is its Purusha? You should know. Suppose Pathati is there. We know it is Prathama Purushaha. First line, Pathati. Astu? Vachanam, if it is pathatah dvivachanam, pathanti bahuvachanam. So purushaha, then vachanam, then we have to look for lakaraha. Which lakaraha it is in? This pathati means lat lakaraha. Lat lakaraha ityukte vartaman kalaha. Correct? So this is the purushaha vachanam lakaraha. These first three are important. Padi and prayogaha, very brief mention I can say that padi means parasmaipadi and atmanepadi there, and ubhaypadi also. So you don't have to worry about that since it is the kriya padasya guna I have mentioned here. Prayogaha means kartari prayogaha, karmani prayogaha. Kartari means active voice and karmani means passive voice. In English we say, no, cat kills a rat is killed by a cat. So cat kills a rat, this is kartari. A rat is killed by a cat, this is karmani. So active voice and passive voice, that means prayogaha. Sanskrite we say kartari and karmani. Agre gacchamaha. Subantam, another term. Subantam is a term for namapadam. So how is it a term for namapadam? Supratyayah, we have just now seen. Supratyayah ante asti. That is subantam. That is namapadam. So lingam, vachanam, vibhakti. You should learn like that. Namapadam, lingam, vachanam, vibhakti. Do not confuse with lakaraha, namapadam. No. They are two separate columns and we have to take care of their attributes separately. Okay. So lingam, vachanam, vibhakti, namapadam. Okay. So what are those lingam? Pullingam, Strilingam, Napunsakalingam. Rama, Ramaha, Pullingam. Balika, Strilingam. Pushpam, Napunsakalingam. Similarly, Vachanam, you know, Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachanam. Vibhakti, we know that there are 7 vibhaktis starting from Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti and Saptami. The 8th vibhakti is known as Sambodhana Prathama. So, Rama, Rame, Ramaha. So, when it is a Strilinga, the Sambodhana becomes He Rame. This you will definitely going to study as a separate class. So, not to worry about Sambodhana. So, this is the vibhakti. Now, coming to Tingantam. When someone says Tingantam, what is it? It is a Kriya Padam because it is Ting Pratyayaha Ante Asti. Ting plus Antam, Ante is Tingantam, that is Kriya Padam. So, Purushaha Vachanam Lakaraha Padi and Prayoga, we just saw. It's another way of expressing it. The Purushaha, Prathama Purushaha, Madhyam Purushaha and Uttam Purushaha. Vachanam, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Lakaraha, 10 lakaras are there. But we have up to, for the Sasyam course, there are 4. I think we have all covered them. Lat lakaraha, you know. Lit lakaraha, that is Bhavishyat kalaha, Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti, that also you have done. Langalakaraha, Apathat, Apathatam, Apathan, Bhutakala, that also you have done. Lot lakaraha, Patatu, Patatam, Patantu, Patapatatam, Patata. So this also you have done. So these 4 are important at your level. Padi is Parasmai Atmanai Ubhe, we have just discussed. So we are, this class we are dealing with up till now Parasmai Padi. I think you will get some introduction of Atmanepadi also in the later classes. Prayogaha Kartari Prayogaha. Karmani Bhave we no na padhitvantaha. We have not studied up to this. So Kartari Prayogaha, that is active voice, what I just expressed in the English sentence. So it is the Kartari Prayoga we are mainly concerned with. Up till now what we have studied only Kartari Prayoga. Agre. Adya Patishyamaha. So before we proceed further, anything do you think is not clear? Anything where you are confused, have some confusion? Please ask. If no, then we will go ahead.
Quite clear.
Okay, Dhanyavadaha. So today's topic is Vakya Nirmana. We have done so many times ki how Karta comes, then Kriya Padam we find out, Then Kriya Padam and Karta, how they are related. Then Karma Padam, how it comes to have a role in the sentence. All these we have done. Here, what we are going to do with the help of lakaras and karta and karma, we are in a total Sampurna Bhava, we are going to see a sentence, how the sentence formation takes place and where are those mistakes that are generally commonly happening. So, Vakya Nirmanam Katham Bhavati Prathamam विभक्तिः एवं लकाराः तान् उपयुज्य वाक्यान् कथं रचयन्ति. So all the vibhakti we are not taking, prathama and dvitiya only we will take in this class. So vibhakti means prathama vibhakti, ityukte karta, dvitiya vibhakti karma padam and the lakaraah. Combined together, how a sentence formation progresses. कर्ता प्लस कर्म प्लस क्रिया विषये किम किम आवश्यकम किम किम अवधेयम. What are the things that we have to take care of? So that is another point of focus today. So karta karma padam kriya padam katham janam. It's a revision of all total what in pieces you have studied. So how to know which is the agent of action? So Kriya Padam, first in the sentence, what action is being done, that we have to focus on first. So Kriya Padam, find out the action being done in the sentence. So is it Pathanam happening, Lekhanam happening, Hasanam happening, Khadanam happening, Brahmanam happening? What is the action that is being done in the sentence? That is the Kriya Padam. Second point, put questions to the Kriya Padam. Now, coming, it is a verb-centric thing. So, coming to the Kriya Padam, take it as in the center and now put questions. Kah, ka and kim. They are all Prathama Vibhakti. So, kah hasati, kah likhati, kah pathati, अथवा का लिखति का हसति स्त्रीलिंग रूपे किम हसति नपुंसकलिंगम. So these are the prathama ekavachanam form of pullinga, strilinga and napumsakalinga prathama vibhakti. As per the vachanam, if there are many, we will in pullinga we will put a question ke likhanti, the answer will be the karta. So, to identify the karma padam, ask questions from the prathama vibhakti. Kaha karoti, kaha likhati, athva ke likhanti. Like this. Kake ka strilinge, kaha likhanti, kaha pathanti. So, you will get the answer in strilingam. Kim, that napunsakalinga prashnavachakaha is there. Kim mitra their mitram agachati. So mitram kim agachati, mitram agachati. So who is doing the role of coming? This is mitram, your friend. Put third number, put questions to the kriya padam such as kam, kam, kim. See, why I have put kam, kam, kim? These are the Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. If it is Pullinga, it is kam, kau, kan. Strilinga, kam, ke, kah. And Napunsakalinge, kim, ke, kani. Same Prathama and Dvitiya are the same. So, as per the Vachanam, if you see too many, means one Patham is being studied, Pathan are being studied. Accordingly, you have to put a question to identify the karma padam. Balakah kim pathati? Balakah kam pashyati? Kim is a common word which can be used in sense of what. What is he doing? Okay, balakah kim karoti? और कम पश्यति, किसको देखता है, टू whom he is seeing. So that way kam, kam or kim, these according to the vachanam. Vachanam is the vachanam of the this karma padam. What is the karma he is doing? According to that, if it is bahuvachane, you have to put the question in bahuvachanam to identify the karma padam. Kim pathati? Patham pathati. Isn't correct? So this is the Dvitiya Vibhakti, karma padam. Identify the other words in the sentence and analyze their vibhakti and purushaha and lingam, vachanam, and arrange the words of the same category together. This is means saha banena shatrum marayati. So shatrum, we know karma padam. Saha, we know, is the doer of the action. Marayati is kriya padam. Another word you find here is banena. With man, that goes to tritiya vibhakti. So that such other words according to the context you may find in addition to the karta, karma and kriya. So it says identify other words in the sentence. If means banena or some the color of the ban is there, agni banena. So this is the visheshanam to banena. So all these, the visheshanam and the vishesha, whose visheshata is being described here? That, and what is its visheshanam? The bana is shveta or agni bana or somebody else borrowed bana. So this is all visheshanam. So separate them all together. All the adjectives and the words are all should be in the same lingam, vachanam and vibhakti. If it is visheshanam, that is in tritiya vibhakti, the visheshyam is in tritiya vibhakti, visheshanam will also go in tritiya vibhakti. So that is this here. Agre saramaha. What is the anvairachana of the sentence? Sentence in a very simplest form has karta, a karma padam and a kriya padam. It's the simplest form of the sentence, isn't it? Karta, karma padam, kriya padam together they form a constitute a organized sentence. Astu, example, Ramaha patham pathati. Kriyapadam kim? First find out the Kriyapadam. Kriyapadam kim? Pathati. Kaha pathati? Now we are applying what we learnt. Kaha pathati? Ramaha pathati is the Kriyapadam, Kartrapadam. You put a question in the Kriyapadam to find out the Kartapadam. Who is the doer? So put a question in the verb and we all find the subject of the doer. Kaha pathati? Ramaha pathati. What is it Ramaha? It is the kartra padam or karta. Kam pathati? Patham pathati. This is the Dvitiya Vibhakti question, Prashnavachakaha, and the answer is the, since Ekavachanam, Kam pathati, Patham pathati. We know that Patham is Ekavachanam, that's why the question Kam has been introduced here, not Kan, because Patham is Ekavachanam. So Prashnavachakaha should be Kam pathati. Kam pathati, Patham, Karma padam. Balakaha phalam khadati. If this is the vakyam. So I ask Tulasi Ram Mahoday, can you do the anvaya? Balakaha phalam khadati. Kah karta? Kim
बालकः
karoti?
फलं खादति
Hmm.
कः खादति बालकः खादति so karta is बालकः
Hmm.
बालकः कम खादति, बालकः फलं खादति. So phalam is the karma. What balaka is doing, so khadati is the kriya padam.
Kriyapadam. So, do you remember balakah phalam khadati? So, what is this khadati means? Which lakaraha?
Lat
Which
lakara.
lat lakaraha? Mahoday, can you also tell me which purushaha?
Pradhama purushah.
प्रथम पुरुषः उत्तमम् अग्रे उमा महोदय भवती करोतु
सः वृक्षं पश्यति सः सः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचन पुल्लिङ्ग वृक्षं एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्ग द्वितीयविभक्ति पश्यति क्रियापदं लट्लकारः
लट्लकारः and पुरुषः
पुरुषः प्रथमपुरुषः
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् वृषभः भारं वहति now पार्वती महोदय
आम महोदय वहति is the kriyapadam bharam is the karma padam and vrishabha is the katrupadam. Vrishabha is ekavachane prathama purushah and bharam is the karma padam ekavachanam and bahati is again prathama purusha lat lakara and ekavachanam.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं महोदय अन्तिमं बसवराज महोदय अवधूत महोदय भवान् करोतु
आं महोदय जनाः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति so जनाः it's प्रथम पुरुष बहुवचन कार्यं like kam kurvanti is like karyam kurvanti, so karyam is karma padam, kurvanti is kriya padam. It will be lakara pratham purush
बहुवचने उत्तमम् उत्तमं महोदय so this is this particular portion that shows how to break the sentence and how to find out there namapadam is there so karta is there so karta means lingam vachanam vibhakti we should know karma padam lingam kah means vachanam kah vibhakti asti then kriya padam what is the purushah then lakarah or vachanam all these things you should know agre gacchamaha up till now we did the simple things now we are coming to the lakaranam parichayah you have studied all these things need not worry just a quick and beautiful revision so lakarah kriyayah kalam prakaram dyotayanti they identify the kal yani samayah prakarah type and kriyayah of the verbs dyotayanti means they show or they indicate so it is written here lakaras denote the tense and the mood of the action so tense you have studied and mood of the action is also done by you all. So first let us take the kalavachakaha. There are 4 lakaras you have done. Out of the 4, 3 are in kalavachakaha, 1 goes in bhavavachakaha or mood that indicates mood. Kalavachakaha tense or time of action. Time, what is it a present vartamana kalaha, bhutakalaha or it happen in bhavishyata kalaha? These 3, vartaman, bhut and bhavishyat, they are all under kalavachakaha. So present tense, past tense and future. Agre bhavavachakaah, mood of the action, inducing action through order and or request. So other two bhavavachakaah, ashirvachanam, hetuh bhava, we have not done and probably will be doing in the advanced classes. So for sasyam level, bhavavachika is mood of the action, inducing action through order or request. So kalavachakaah and bhavavachakaah, two types of lakaras are there. Both under kalavachakaah, three lakaras we have studied: lat, lrit, lang. लट वर्तमान कालः, लृट भविष्यत् कालः, लंग is भूतकालः. That we have studied. And bhavavachika we know we have done lot lakarः. अस्तु, अग्रे गच्छामः. क्रियापदस्य उपयोक्तुं के नियमाः. So how do we conjugate Kriya Padam? Kriya Padam conjugates differently depending on Purushaha and Vachanam. If you are dealing with the Prathama Purushaha Karta, you have to take into account the Kriya Padam of Prathama Purushaha only. If your Karta is in Madhyam Purushaha, you have to take the Kriya Padam also from Madhyam Purushaha. For example, Balakah, Pratham Purushaha Karta is there. Balakah is Karta from Pratham Purushaha. Kriya Padam should also come from Prathama Purushaha, that is Pathati. And Vachanam also. If Balakah, then Pathati. I am giving an example. Balakah, then Vachanam changes. That becomes Bahuvachanam. So Pathati is not relevant here. Now Pathanti is relevant here. Okay. So Kriya Padam goes with the Purushaha and Vachanam. And it becomes different. Pathati and Pathanti are Vachanam dependent. Kriya Padam in Madhyam Purushaha should be used only with Yushmat Shabdaha. So whenever Yushmat Shabdaha means Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So whenever Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam, you see they are Madhyam Purusha Karta. That is why the Kriya Padam also should be taken from Madhyam Purushaha. So Tvam, Patha. That is Lot Lakara I am telling you. Pathati, Pathta, Pathanti. Pathasi, Pathathah, Pathatha. So if Tvam is there, then Pathasi comes into picture. Tvam, Yuvam, Dvivachanam you have not done. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam is there. Then Pathasi, Pathathah, Pathatha. That comes into picture. So whenever Yushmat Shabdaha, Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam you see, you select the Karta Kriya Padam from Madhyam Purushaha. Only from Pathasi, Pathatha, Pathatha. And similarly, Kriya Padam in Uttam Purushaha. So Kriya Padam Uttam Purushaha means Pathami, Patavaha, Patavaha. Then the Karta should be Asmad Shabdaha. So what is Asmad and Yushmad? They are Pratipadikam. Yushmad means Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Then Asmad means, anybody can come up? Asmad means?
Aham, Avam, Vayam.
Uttamam, Uttamam, Aham, Avam, Vayam. So whichever Purushaha you select from the Karta, go to parallelly to the same Purushaha in Kriya Padam. So they go side by side. So Yushmat and Asmad, leaving them, all other go into the Prathama Purushaha. In all other cases, Kriya Padam in Prathama Purushaha should be used. only it says that Madhyam Purushah Kriyapadam with Yushmat Shabdah, Uttam Purushah Kriyapadam with Asmat Shabdah. Kriyapadam is independent of Lingam. Maybe a male person is reading a book, that also Pathati. If I am reading a book, I am also the same Pathami, but Pathati will not come. Balika is Pathati, then she is also Pathati. So Kriyapadam is independent of Lingam. The verb forms are common for all the three Lingan. Means verb forms means, but it doesn't come like ki Pathati, Pathta, Pathanti. Where Pulling is different, Striling is different, and Napunsakalingam is different. Not like that. Independent for Linga, Lingadi. So that is the how to do the Kriyapadasya upyogam. Agre लट्लकारः वर्तमानकालस्य क्रियापदानि, for example, पठ, गम, लिख, धाव, कथं चलन्ति, and how do we do that? So it's very good revision. How do we do? So we see here, I would like one of you to read. Smita Mahoday, bhavati pathatu. पठतु महोदय.
वर्तमान काले लट लकार पट प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन पठति द्वितीय
Simply say पठति पठतः. Like this you read.
पठति पठतः पठन्ति.
मध्यम
पुरुष पठसि पठतः पठथ. उत्तम पुरुष पठामि पठावः पठामः.
उत्तमम. So many people will remember ati atah anti. Many will remember like ti tahat anti. So this is ati atah anti has no role to for the Sanskrit Vyakaran point of view. It is just how you remember. So this ati atah anti goes with likhati also, gachati also. So that is why they have given in this slide. So basically, likhati also goes like likhati, likhatah, likhanti, and madhyam purushe likhasi, likhatah, likhata, likhami, likhavah, likhamah. So agre gachhami, kriyapadam sankshepanam katham bhavati. If gam dhatu we take, prathama purushe ke bhavitum shakyate, balakah अथवा बालिका अथवा यानम. पुल्लिंगे प्रथम पुरुषे, स्त्रीलिंगे प्रथम पुरुषे एंड नपुंसकलिंगे प्रथम पुरुषे है. परंतु गम धातु मीन्स क्रियापदम is indifferent to the lingam of the karta. Balakah also gacchati, balika also gacchati, and yanam also gacchati. बहुवचने also बालकाः गच्छन्ति, बालिकाः अपि गच्छन्ति, यानानि अपि गच्छन्ति. So this concept should be very thorough in your mind that there is no linga bhedah in kriyapadam. And madhyam purushe, as soon as you arrive in madhyam purushaha, you have to be clear that I have to use madhyam purushaha karta and madhyam purushah kriyapadam. So gachhasi and gachatha comes into play. Now coming to the uttam purushah, then it becomes gachhami and gacchamaha. Okay. Agre gachhamaha bhavishyat kala rupani. Bhavishyat kala rupani. If vartamana kalaha, I'll ask Sita Mahoday, bhavati pathatu. Bhavishyat kala katham chalati.
प्रथम पुरुष पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति. मध्यम पुरुष पठिष्यसि पठिष्यतः पठिष्यथ. उत्तम पुरुष पठिष्यामि पठिष्यावः पठिष्यामः.
Uttamam. So basically, since you have done lit lakara, you are familiar to this. Now, what are the point of focus here? This sh is not the this is shatakona sha, or we say murdhanya sha. It is not the shankar sha here. So take care of this sha when you write the lit lakara rupam. And also that in all these 9 forms, there is no halanta. This you take care when you memorize the Rupani. Is there any halanta here? No. Visargaha, yes. The middle column has Visargaha for Dvivachanam that we have not focused up till now. So Patishyati and Patishyanti, Patishyasi and Patishyatha, Patishyami and Patishyamaha. That is the point of attention here. So this Pathati, Pathataha, Pathanti. If you remember this, you get the Visargaha in Dvivachana column only, and the last one, Pathamaha. So Visargaha kutra kutra santi? Dvivachane evam uttam purushe bahuvachane. So this is the point you should remember in memorizing the lakaraha. So pathati becomes patishyati, pathanti becomes patishyanti. The rhyming is very, very similar. So try to remember those things and start writing also how you own in your own script you use pathati patha pathanti lit lakara. Okay, it was like pathati pathataha pathanti only. So what we have to insert in between to make lat from lat to lit? So these things you should make a point. Agre lang lakaraha. Lang lakaraha, it means which kalaha? Which kalaha?
भूतकालः
भूतकालः. उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् पठतु. भूतकालः पठतु, लङ्लकारः पठतु.
प्रथम पठत् अपठत्, ओके सॉरी, अपठत्. द्वितीय अपठतां. बहुवचन अपपठन्.
अपठन्.
अपठन्. मध्यम अपठः. अपठतम्. अपठत. उत्तम
उत्तम पुरुष.
अपठम्. अपठाव. अपठाम.
Now here the comparison is given from lat, how to do the langalakaraha. This is ti, taha, anti. Here what is happening? A is added. This A is added to make it a bhutakalaha or langalakaraha. All the 9 forms have A in the beginning. That is important. So apathat, this halantaha, kutra kutra santi, halantaha, ekvachane atra asti, bahuvachane api asti. Apathat, apathan. When you make the mistake of halanta while writing, that also deducts your marks. So apathaha, this visargaha only at one place, that is in madhyam purushaha ekavachanam. Apatatam dvivachane api halanta asti, and this is apathat. No halanta in it. So you have to take care of halanta. Here lot many halantas are there. Prathama purushe, all the 3 forms have halanta. Apathat, apatatam, apathan. Apathaha, apathatam, apathat. No halanta in madhyam purushaha. मध्यम पुरुषे विसर्गः अस्ति एकवचने, बहुवचने अपठत्. So प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचन and मध्यम पुरुषः बहुवचन are the same. The difference is only of halanta. You have to take care of this. प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचन हलन्त अस्ति, Madhyam Purusha Bahuvachana, no halanta. So that is the difference. So take attention of this. Uttam Purushe Katham Bhavati? Apatham, apathav, apatham. Be very attentive to this apatham. When we go to the lot lakaraha, this you have to be very clear about. You have to be very attentive in this. So that's why apatham, apathava, apathama in lang lakare bhavati. Here see pathami, pathavah, pathamah. Something in the rhyming is there. Thava, delete the visargaha in uttam purushe, vaha, pathava, add a means bhutakalaha, langalakaraha. Astu. So agre gachamaha. All these what we have done up till now, it is being shown in one slide. So good comparison. Langalaka in center is latlakara. So latlakara ekvachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Pathati, pathataha, pathanti. For memorizing, it is good to have the dvivachana also in your memory, though we have not used them. Pathati, pathataha, pathanti. Pathasi, pathatha, pathatha. Pathami, pathavaha, pathamaha. This is the basic latlakara pattern. Now coming to the left, lang lakaraha, bhutakale. Apathat, we have just done it. Halanta, apathatam and apathan. Apathaha, apathatam, apathat. So ekvachane and madhyam purushe bahuvachane, halanta difference is only there. Apatham, apathava, apathama. And when we come to bhavishyata, latlakaraha, it very similar to latlakaraha. Lat and lit, quite close. Pathati becomes pathishyati. Pathataha becomes pathishyataha. So ending is same. Pathanti becomes patishyanti. So you get my point? What I am pointing out, what I am telling you, how to memorize that. So latlakaraha, if you remember, rit you can do it very easily. So pathami becomes uttam purushe pathishyami. Pathishyavaha, pathishyamaha. Okay. So agre gachami atra lot lakaraha asti. This is something different, and lot of attention should be given to this lakaraha. Why? Let's see why. Latal, rital, lang we have done. Lot lakaraha means agya and prarthana. These three are time-centric, isn't it? These first three are time-centric. The fourth one is mood. Whether you want to request the person, say something, agya, you want to order that, then also lot lakaraha comes into play. Agre gachamaha. How? So lot lakaraha, agya athva prarthana. So I would ask Amarnath Mahoday, Bhavan Pathatu. Oh, what I said is there. Amarnath Mahoday asti va?
Which you want me to read?
Mahoday, Pathatu.
Which you want me to read?
I'm sorry, I cannot make out what did
Which
you
do you
say.
want me to read?
Yeah, I want you to read.
Agya Prarthana. Bhavan Patatu. You read. May you read.
Agre
Bhavat
api Pathatu.
Bhavati Likatu. You write. May you write. Bhavantaha Khadatu. I'm sorry. Bhavantaha Khadantu. You all eat. May you all eat. Bhavatyaham Kridantu. You all play. May you all play.
May you all play. So here api bhavan pathatu. Here api. What is there in the this box?
Prerana, Agnya, imperative mood. It is giving an order, extending an offer, making a request, or giving permission.
This is the Angla Bhasha. How many varieties we say that is listed here? Maybe you are giving an order, you do this, or extending an offer, you may please do this, making a request, yeah, again, that do this, giving permission, or you may do this. So it's a way of expression, how we say in English, and see here in Sanskritam, how simple it's. Bhavan pathatu. Depending upon the context, you will understand. Bhavan pathatu means I say I am directly addressing to you to do the action, to read. I am directly, means you are before me and I am asking you to do something. At that point, because I am addressing you, Bhavan athva Bhavati, if I say, suppose Parvati Mahoday, Bhavati likhatu. So that means I am not adding here because it's not Angla Bhasha. I am not adding please. So simply Bhavati likhatu. Bhavati likhatu means I am giving an order also. It may be considered as a request also, prarthana also. Bhavati likhatu. So, Sanskrit Bhasha, in one sentence, you may include many such moods. So, Bhavati likhatu athva bhavantah khadantu, may you read or may you write or may you all eat. This is very old school of expression, rather very posh, may you read. Generally, we say you read. We never use may you read. So this is Bhavan pathatu, you read is enough, what I feel. So this is a lot lakaraha, either it is Agya athva Prarthana. Agre, so Bhavan pathatu ekavachanam, that is why Bhavantaha takes pathantu. We will come to the lot lakaraha forms. Pathatu, pathantu, likhatu, likhantu, bhavati ekavachanam, bhavatyah bahuvachanam. Bhavan and bhavantah, bhavati and bhavatyah. So this, according to the vachanam, you select the kriya padam. Agre, pathadhatu. Agre come Tulsi Ram Mahoday. Bhavan Rupam pathatu, pathadhatu.
पठधातु एकवचनं पठतु द्विवचनं पठताम बहुवचनं पठन्तु.
So pathatu, pathatam,
पठतु
pathantu.
पठताम पठन्तु.
If it is latalakaraha, then what it is?
पठति पठतः पठन्ति.
So pathati and pathanti, pathantu, pathatu and pathantu. See, ukaraha is there. Tatra ikaraha there. Ukaraha is there.
Ikara ukara.
Ukaraha. That is the difference. Agre likha api karotu mahoday, bhavane karotu.
लिखतु लिखताम लिखन्तु.
So tatra
लिखति
api
लिखताः लिखन्ति. So it becomes लिखतु लिखन्तु.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. Uma Mahoday, Vada and Drish karotu.
Vada, vadati, vadatah, vadanti becomes vadatu, vadatam, vadantu.
So while you read all these stuff, when you read, it goes to your subconscious mind. Slowly, gradually it goes. But it goes definitely by reading. It helps. So vadatu and vadantu. Drishya dhatu. Dhatu also you should take care. Every one of you. So drishya dhatu. Vadatu Uma Mahoday.
Vadatu I read, ma'am. दृश् धातु become pashyati, pashyatah, pashyanti becomes pashyatu, pashyatam, pashyantu.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् अग्रे पार्वती महोदय भवती करोतु
कृ धातु
हम्म
करोति और कुरु कुरुति is it? It will be
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
कुरुतः
करोतु
कुर्वन्तु और करोतु कुरुतात् नहीं करोतु कुरुतां
कुरुतात is alternate form
alternate
do
to
not
हाँ
do not
करोतु
take it karotu
Okay.
is enough
करोतु करु कृतां कुरुतां is it? I can't see that.
kurutam actually it is
Kurutam.
dvivachanam it's not required
Yeah,
karotu
kurutam
and
and
kurvantu
kurvantu.
and latlakare karoti kurvanti
Kurvanti.
and u lotlakare
हाँ
अस्तु
आम्
तो अग्रे अवधूत महोदय अन्तिमं
आं महोदय
पठतु
गमधातु गच्छतु गच्छन्तु it will be it was in lat lakar it is like gacchati gacchanti as dhatu astu and santu it was asati asti and santi
हाँ लट्लकारे इट इज अस्ति स्तः
अस्ति।
सन्ति अस्ति
stah stah
स्तः
santi
सन्ति तो अस्ति
हाँ।
and santi becomes astu and sant
santu
so slightly
ikaran becomes
you
ukaran
हाँ you get in prathama purusha you get little pattern so it would be easy for you to remember agre लोटलकारः प्रथमपुरुषे now up till now we did भवान् पठतु भवती पठतु भवन्तः पठन्तु भवत्यः पठन्तु all this we did now replace it with सः प्रथम पुरुषः अन्य कर्ता so सः अथवा सा अथवा tam
ते
so all these things we can replace saha when happens when you see a karta here saha pathatu saha means somebody you are referring from past saha pathatu so here what the Angla Bhashayam how to understand this that is why it is may he read or let him read so better it is to attach yourself with saha pathatu, let him read. So this is giving some permission, let him read. On when you see balika, athva sa, athva balakah, and we get lot lakarah kriyapadam, lot lakarasya kriyapadam, we have to understand it's a permission and it should be translated as let him or let her do this. So whenever Bhavan is there, whenever we see Bhavan Pathatu, means you read, I am directly addressing you. You are before me. Bhavan Pathatu, Bhavan Likhatu, Bhavan Tisthatu. Parantu atra saha, saha pathatu, let him read. Balika vadatu, let the girl speak. So this is not, I am directly not addressing or giving any order. So Bhavan and Bhavati is not here. It is the Karta from Prathama Purushaha, Parantu Saha, Athva Balika, Athva Sa, Athva Balakaha. For example, all these are given here. So how to understand it? Let him do this. Let her do that. So this way. Is it clear?
आम् महोदय
अस्तु अस्तु अग्रे गच्छामः एकः अभ्यासः अस्ति 1 by 1 we will do it so अत्र I will begin with स्मिता महोदय कर्तुं शक्यते वा महोदय
महोदय
हाँ, करोतु. So you
छात्र
have to do the lot lakarah prathamam, because here all this thing dhatu is given. So I have not specified lot lakarah, not written here, but I tell you it has to be, the abhyasa should be in lot lakarah. And whenever you in exam also, in your test also, you will clear cut, it will be specified. Do it in lot lakara, lat lakara, lakara will be given, or you would be asked to do in bhuta kalaha or vartaman kalaha, right? Kalaha will be spashtaya given to you. So here it is Smita Mahoday, lot lakara. Now karotu.
छात्रः
What are the three columns indicate? Prathamam, tell me that. First column indicates what?
कर्ता
Karta, uttamam.
कर्मपदम्
And
and क्रियापद
uttamam. So, karotu.
छात्रः पाठं पठतु
Chhatrah patham pathatu. Oh, uttamam. Uttamam. So, what do you understand? Angla bhashayam vadatu.
Student read the chapter.
Let the student read the chapter. Let the student read the chapter. Agre Sita Mahoday.
महिला ग्रामं गच्छतु.
Gachatu. Uttamam. So let the
Let the woman go to village.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Agre Ishwaran Mahoday.
1 minute. एषः सत्यं वदतु. Is it okay?
Anglabhashayam artha. It's okay.
You speak truth.
Let Eshah means him.
Okay.
Let him.
Let him speak truth.
Let him speak the truth. Uttam. So this is the different concept we are learning. So need not, I know that you all understand this, and this is means let him do this, or may he read, may he do that. So may he we are not much accustomed to. Let him, we generally say let him do this. So that way. So I will come to it, but before that I will agre हम कः कस्य अवसरः अमरनाथ महोदय भवतः अवसरः
लोट्लकारः उत्तमपुरुषे अहं पठामि. May or let me, or I. May let me or may I. Aham vadati. I'm sorry. So aham patani is meaning may I study. May I read.
May I study, or let me study.
Yeah.
Let me study. Aham vadami, let me speak. And aham likhami, let me write. Similarly, when it comes vayam, it is pathama. Note this Uttam Purushe, how the Rupani go. Pathani, then pathavah, pathava, and then pathama. So I'll compare when all the four, you would be able to understand it better. So let all of us read, let all of us speak, let all of us write. This way we understand the lot lakarah. Agre kim bhavati, that same. Pathani pathama. I ask atra Tulsiram Mahoday, Pathani and Pathama. If you are at Latalakarah and Uttam Purushe, Kim Bhavati?
पठति पठामः sorry
Uttam
पठामि
Purushe Bhode,
पठामः पठामि पठामः
Uttam Purushe Pathami,
उत्तमपुरुष
Pathavah, Latalakare,
लट्लकारः पठामि पठामः
Pathavah, Pathamaha. Here it is
पठावः
what?
पठामः correct.
Here it is what? Lotlakare, Pathamina, Pathani, Pathavahana, Pathava, Pathama. So these
विसर्ग
are
goes.
the
Visarga
Visargaha.
goes.
So remember, Lotlakare, no Visargaha. And Pathami becomes Pathani.
पठानि
Huh, huh. So all these are similar way to read and understand. This also I would not take up. I will rather give it in the homework. See, this lot lakaraha, parasmaipadi, how does it go? Leave this optional form. Pathatu pathatam pathantu. Patha pathatam pathata. Pathani pathav pathamah. That is becomes pathati pathata pathatah pathanti pathasi pathathah pathata latlakare pathami pathavah pathamah. So take care. See, this is the complete picture. So this picture, this slide you should keep before you and study it properly and try to establish your own way, point of memorization. I showed you few, but you should do this. These are very important slides. You should invest time to memorize them. And how do you do? All the four are at one place, so it would be easy for you to go through them. Agre ekah abhyasah asti. And this is very important. I think I would begin with Uma Mahoday. Atra heading api pathatu Mahoday.
अशुद्धिशोधनं कृत्वा कर्ता कर्म क्रियापदानि चिनोतु.
So pratamam vakyam kim pathatu?
अस्मद् फलं खादामि.
Hmm.
खादामि, so अहं फलं खादामि.
Uttamam. Karta aham, karmapadam, phalam,
फलं
kriyapadam,
खादामि.
khadami. Uttamam. So asmad is what? Is
अस्मद् is for
Pratipadikam.
उत्तमपद.
Pratipadikam. Asmad Shabda is the Pratipadikam. Under it, Aham, Avam, Vayam, all these comes. So Pratipadikam like Tad Shabdaha, Rama Shabdaha. So this is the Pratipadikam, Mool Shabda. Here is the Asmad. Asmad means Aham, Avam, Vayam. Similarly, Yushmad means Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So that way. Okay, Uttamam. Agre Parvati Mahoday, Bhavati Karotu.
Moo, is it? Murkha?
Murkha. Ashuddhi Shodhanam Avashyakam.
What is Ashuddhi Shodhanam?
If there is any, like Asmad is given, she did Aham. So do you find anything here that you can add? Pathatu Prathamam.
Murkha Sajanam Nindati. Murkha is foolish. And Sajanam.
What is it, Mahoday? Is it Karta? Sajanam is Karta or
Karma.
Karma. Tamam. And Murkha. Is there anything you can add or delete? Something, or you think it is a proper word?
Nindati. Murkaha.
Murkha. Uttamam. The Murkha is Pratipadikam. It cannot stand alone.
Yeah.
So unless you put it in Prathama Vibhakti, it
Correct.
cannot work here as a means again alone independently. Murkha cannot work.
Pratipadika. Yeah.
Yeah.
Murkaha sanjanam nindati.
Nindati. Okay, so nindati is ekvachane. That's why murkha will
Murkaha.
do. So
Yeah.
murkha karta karmapadam and
Karmapadam
kriya.
kriyapadam.
Uttamam. Avadhut Mahoday,
Mहोदय.
agreement karo.
So the sentence is Chhatra Kanduka Kridanti. Here mistake might be the Kridanti. That's why it should be multiple Chhatra. So it will be Chhatraha and Kandukani or Kandukam.
Bandukam.
Kandukam.
उत्तम.
Yeah.
ग्रामेटिकली कंदुकानी अपि करेक्ट. दोनों ही. हाँ. तो according to you, what is the sentence?
Chhatraha Kandukani Kridanti.
उत्तम. उत्तमम. So this is
So here
karta karma.
karta is yeah.
उत्तमम. स्मिता महोदय, अग्रिमं करोतु.
तद् विद्यालय गच्छन्ति, ते विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति.
उत्तमम. बहु उत्तमम. तद means either it will be pulling a sahtaute or satetaah or tamtetani. So gachanti, so she has taken te because plural bahuvachane gachanti, that's why sahtaute. Te vidyalayam gachanti. Uttamam Mahoday. Sita Mahoday.
Dushta khaga marayati. So this will become dushtaha khagam marayati.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमम्. So अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् करोतु.
Here the Mahila Rotika Kridanti. Kridanti is
Mahoday.
Bahuvachan. No,
Janani.
Mahila. Which
Where
one?
I am?
No.
Janani.
1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, Janani. Okay. I didn't note that. Janani Putra Smaranti. Jananihi Putra Smaranti.
Janani means nadivat. Nadi nadyau nadyah.
Okay.
Janani jananyau jananyah.
Okay.
So,
Jananyah. Okay.
Jananyah.
Jananyah.
Why I took Jananyah Mahoday? Because Smaranti.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
हाँ.
Jananyah. Jananyah Putra Smaranti. Okay.
Putra becomes what Mahoday?
Putra.
Put it in Ditiya Vibhakti Mahoday.
Okay.
Like Ram. You remember Ram?
Putraha. Rama, Ramo, Ramaha.
Then Ditiya?
Ramam, Ramo, Raman.
So you may take one putra also. You may convert it in many sons also. If it is one, then putram. So Janani putram smaranti or putran smaranti. So the purpose of whole exercise is never forget to put in right vibhakti when you are dealing with karma padam. It should be in Ditiya.
So it be Putran. Putran.
Uttamam.
Jananyah Putran Smaranti.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Amarnath Mahoday, agreement karotu.
Grihini Paka Karoti. So the Kriya Padam is Ekavachanam, so Grihini is fine. So Paka, so Pakam. Grihini Pakam Karoti.
Uttamam. Uttamam. Samyak Mahoday. Bahu samyak. Agre gachamah. Tulsiram Mahoday.
हाँ महोदय. महिला शाटिका क्रीणन्ति. So Kridanti is in Bahuvachanam. So we can put Karta and Karma Padam also in Bahuvachanam. Mahilaha Shatikam Shatikam Kridanti. Shatikaha Kridanti. Mahilaha Shatikaha Kridanti.
Shatika is not means dependable upon Mahila athva Kridanti. It's a karma padam. Many Mahila may buy one sari. So Kridanti, it is independent of anything.
If it
They
is my
all
wife,
may
it is
buy.
many saris.
Striling Akara Akaram
Shatika is,
Striling
have to-
Sabda Bahuvachanam also Bahuvachanam is in
not necessary.
Satikaha, I think.
No. I am telling that it can be corrected to Shatikaha also. Tam te taha, that is correct. But if you do not change,
Satikam,
then also
Satikam.
correct.
It
Then
can
also
be
correct.
Satikam, it can be Satikam, or it can be Satikaha.
If means you can do it, but it is not necessary that you change it unless it is important.
That is correct.
So Mahila,
Mahila Satikam
everyone agrees with
Kridanti.
me. Everyone agrees with me.
Mohoday.
Correct.
The karma padam should not,
Ma-
no need to change all the time.
Mahila
no.
Satikam Kridanti. Kridanti. That is correct.
Uttam.
That is correct.
Yes,
That can be there.
Yes. Uma Mahoday, tad patra likhati. This one you do.
Tad patra taha no saha or sa patram likhati.
Uttamam. Saha patram likhati or sa. Uttamam. Because we can, under tad shabdaha, maybe pullinga, maybe strilinga, but ekavachanam, depending upon the kriya padam. Uttamam. Agre, Parvati Mahoday, do this Asmad Nagri Gachamaha.
Aham nagaram gacchamaha.
Mahoday, begin from kriya padam. Gachamaha.
Oh, it is, correct. It is bahuvachanam. Gachamaha. Gachamaha.
So what will be the Asmad karta?
Vayam nagaram gachamaha.
Mahoday, it is Nagri here. So Nagri means Strilinga Rupam Asti. So we cannot change it. Nagari also means city. So
City,
Nagari,
Then remain Nagari.
Nadivat. Yeah, Nadivat. How Ditya Vibhakti Ekvachanam Nam said Nadi?
Sorry, I didn't follow.
See, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadi.
Right.
So Nadim, Nagarim, Nagarim.
Nagarim gachamaha.
So begin from the Kriya Padam so that you minimize your mistakes. Gachamaha Vayam. Put in the Karta's place. Vayam. Nagari becomes Nagarim.
Nagarim
Okay.
gachamaha.
Avadhut Mahoday, do this Etad Phalarasa. This one.
Etad phalarasa pibanti. So here again, due to pibanti, it should be bahuvachan. So it will te phalarasam pibanti.
What did you say? Please come again. I'm sorry.
Te phalaras. Te.
Te.
Etad.
Okay.
Yeah, te. Te phalarasam pibanti.
Slight correction. Slight correction is here. When it is etad, you have to add a. When it is tad, and sahatau te sate ta tabte tani. When it is etad, then eshaha etau ete.
Yeah, ete phalarasam pibanti.
Uttamam. Now, this is very important to
Oh,
take
yeah.
care of.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you. धन्यवाद.
स्मिता महोदय, अन्तिमं करोतु.
पंडितः ग्रंथं पठति.
पंडितः ग्रंथं
पठति.
ओके, उत्तमं. बिकॉज पठति इज एकवचनम, दैट्स व्हाई पंडितः. अदरवाइज पठन्ति, देन पंडिताः. करेक्ट महोदय? स्मिता महोदय?
महोदय. यस.
अग्रे. सीता महोदय, लङ्गलकारे भवती स्मरति वा? लङ्गलकारं न स्मरति सीता महोदय? लङ्गलकाररूपं
न महोदय.
अस्तु. अपठत्, अपठत्. सी, दिस इज द स्लाइड. अपठत्, अपठन्. एकवचने अपठत्, बहुवचने अपठम्.
So sa nindati becomes sa anindat.
अनिन्दत्.
Anindat.
Is it rhyming, na?
Yes.
अपठत् अनिन्दत्.
Anindat.
उत्तमम्. ईश्वरन् महोदय, मित्रः अभ्यासं लिखति.
मित्रः, 1 minute. Okay.
ओके.
मित्रः
क्षम्यताम्, अत्र टङ्कणदोषः अस्ति. मित्रं, नाट् मित्रः.
Okay, okay, Mitra.
Mitram. Please correct it. I will correct it in the slides. It's a
Okay.
Tankan dosha. Mitram.
Mitram abhyasam alikhat.
Alikhat. Uttamam. Uttamam. Amarnath Mahoday.
Mahodaya, why should it be Mitram?
Mitram is a friend. Mitraha is Surya. Surya Narayan.
Oh,
Mitram
okay,
is
the word is-
Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda. That means a friend. If
Ah,
you put Visargaha here, it becomes a Surya Narayan, one of the
Oh.
Paryayavachi of Surya Narayan. Om Mitraya Namaha. We say na?
Oh,
So that Mitraha. That
Oh,
is Surya
Amaha.
Narayan.
Oh.
So it's a Tankan Dosha Hasti. Amarnath Mahoday, Bhavataha Avsaraha.
I'm not clear. What am I doing?
This Shunakaha Bhashanti Langalakare Parivartanam Karotu.
I'm turning it into past tense.
Past tense. Am Mahoday.
Okay. Shunakaha abhashan. Abhashan.
Uttamam. Here see. Apathat ekvachane, apathan bahuvachane. So ta
Yes.
and na. That is the difference. Ta and na. Both have halanta. Okay. Kasya avsarah? See, Tulsiram Mahoday, Bhavataha avsarah. Lrit lakare parivartanam karotu.
Abhashan.
लुट्लकारे सा निंदति.
महोदय, अग्रे, अग्रे.
ओके. बालकाः श्लोकान् पठन्ति. बालकाः श्लोकान् पठिष्यन्ति.
पठिष्यन्ति. उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमं. Then अग्रे उमा महोदय.
सिंहाः गर्जन्ति. सिंहाः गर्जयिष्यन्ति.
गर्जिष्यन्ति. उत्तमम्. अग्रे पार्वती महोदय.
महोदय. फलम् अपतत्. फलम् अपतन्. Ne.
Here is a catch.
Yeah. This is patati, patishyanti. Patishyati.
So, final. Phalam. is a catch.
Apatishyati.
Patishyati.
Patishyati.
Bhavishyat kale, a is not there. Though I
हाँ,
have written the sentence in Langalakare,
Apati.
but I
हाँ,
want you to convert it in Bhavishyat Kalaha.
हाँ,
So
तो
when
Patishyati.
Patadhatu, you remember Patadhatu.
हाँ,
So
महोदय.
how would you go? How would you go?
Patishyati.
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 एकमेव फलम् अस्ति. फलं पतिष्यति. उत्तमं महोदय.
Patishyati. हाँ.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. अग्रे अवधूत महोदय.
आं महोदय.
On your right, see
आङ्ग्लभाषायां वदतु.
Hmm.
बालकः लिखतु. Let the boy write.
Let the boy read.
Right.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. स्मिता महोदय अग्रिमं करोतु.
आं महोदय. सेवकः वस्त्रं प्रक्षालयतु. Let servant wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes.
Clothes.
उत्तमं महोदय. सीता महोदय.
एषः धावतु. Let he run.
Let him.
Let him run.
We in English we say differently, na? Let he run to. In English it would be wrong. Let him run.
Okay. Let him run.
And if it is who's sir? Ishwaran Mahoday. Agre
Vayam
gachatu.
nagaram gachama. Vayam ma. Let me go to city.
Let Vayam means
Aham abam vayam. Okay.
Vayam. Bahuvachane. Let
them.
Let
them go.
Vayam ityukte all of us.
Okay.
Let all
We.
of us. Yes.
Let we all go to the city.
Yes. Go to the city. Okay. Uttamam. Agre अमरनाथ महोदय भवतः अवसरः. अन्तिमं करोतु. अमरनाथ महोदय.
Is it the last one?
Yeah, last one.
Aham putram likhani.
Patram.
Patram. Aham patram likhani. I am writing on paper.
Little catch. Here is a catch.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Likhani.
Sorry. Yeah, hold on. Wait. One moment. May I write on paper?
May I write on paper or let me write on paper? Let me write a letter. Let me write a letter. On paper. Let me write a letter. That is a better way to say it. Or may I write a letter. That is also correct. But here likhani means as soon as you see ni, immediately be alert. It is lot lakaraha.
Yes.
If it is me, then it is lat lakaraha. Ni, lot lakaraha. That way you have to be alert. So the last exercise, I think the time is up. Okay, so this I will give in the homework. What you have to do, simply you have to put the karma padam accordingly. Okay. So Chitra, Kashtha, Taru, Dharma, Shala, Puraskar, Uttar, Shabdavali or Shabdarupavali, you have to put it in a karma padam. And many what exercises we did today, I will craft from same pattern and give it in the homework. So you this way, if you practice, your all karta, karma and kriya padam will be clear. And lakaras, all the 4 lakaras today we covered. It would be a good exercise if you study it again. Okay. So this I will give it in the homework. and Agre is the Ratanam, means memorizing. These are all entire Rupani, means Vibhakti Rupani is given here. So this is Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Pullinga Shabdaha. So Tad Shabdaha. See the Pratipadikam also you should all take care. Tad means Sahataute. Etad means Eshaha etau ete. Kim means Kahakauke is the Pratipadikam Kim. Yad means Yahayau ye. Well, he who sings is my brother. Yaha Gayati Saha Mama Bhrata. So, yaha, he who, when we connect he who, saha gayati, yaha gayati, saha mama bhrata. He who sings is my brother. So, that time yada is used, yaha. So, all these are very good collection. Please go through them and you would be finding them easy for you. At one place, all these Rupani are there. So this way we come to the end of the class. I always overrun, but still today I have managed to finish the class on time.
But this is
Okay.
important, ma'am. We understand
Very
it better.
helpful, ma'am.
Yeah.
Very helpful.
That's why Lot Lakara I have taken extensively so that too many exercises are there and you do not get confused. Or Pathani and Pathami. When Pathani comes, Lot Lakara. Pathami, Lat Lakara. And Lat Lakara, if you remember, Patishyati Patishataha is easy to remember. So all these things. Amarnath Mahoday, Katham
Oh, I
Chalati.
just wanted to
Please,
say it's
Katham,
very good.
how are going your studies?
Good.
Okay.
Much of this is review for me.
Yes, actually it is a review.
So now it is really good to put it into format and over seeing the same things. These classes when we are combining all of the knowledge is very nice. It's good to have all of the review.
Yes, and those are very fine fineries. We have details we have to take care of. That also here is there. That means all those fineries, nuances, what lakaras bring in, that also have to be very careful. Because now half of the class is already over. You are advancing towards the next class. So that's it. So, अद्य तुलसीराम महोदय भवान् एव प्रार्थना श्लोकान् करोतु मङ्गलश्लोकान् करोतु महोदय
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ तत्सत्
धन्यवादः सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय पुनः मिलामः
पुनः मिलामः अस्तु रेकार्डिङ्ग्
धन्यवाद महोदय
स्थगयामि धन्यवादः